Hi guys, it's David Wynn, August University, and today I want to do a quick overview regarding a product I'm testing out, trying, and I really love it. It's called Lux Algo. So if you guys are trying to test out new software and looking to take advantage of day trading or even just trading in general, whether it comes to stock market, whether it comes to cryptocurrencies, Forex, and just looking to get an extra advantage on the market, whether you're just beginning trading or you're advanced trader but just need some extra insight on your trades, then this is the software for you. It actually utilizes the Trading View app or Trading View website and allows you to input their algorithms and software so that you can get signals, okay? Buy signals and sell signals. Now, it's pretty straightforward. Once you install it, once you purchase, you get an email from Lux Algo. It takes usually within a few hours. And then they'll send you the signals, okay? They'll send you the custom coding that you can import to your Trading View. And then you'll have access and see all this stuff here. So 90% of traders are unsuccessful, but why? Emotions and noisy charts, which I get caught up in the emotions as well. For example, when I trade Tesla, when I trade Ethereum, some cryptocurrencies that I'm really passionate about. So we get emotional sometimes. This is a great way on paper, to see how the graph's working and see how the chart's working, and really take action on putting those emotions aside, just following the algorithm. Okay, so this is version 3 now. And you can use it on desktop and mobile, okay? So that's pretty much, how it works. They have a Discord group that gives you buy signals and a whole community. It's a huge community on Discord as well, which comes free with the membership. And you can purchase various different packages here. I'll show you guys. There's a $67.99 a month, right? Or you can do quarterly plans or yearly plans. So you're going to save money if you do the quarterly or the yearly plan, right? I went with quarterly myself. I want to give it a fair trial, fair test, and this is what you get with it. Indicators on Trading View, VIP Discord group, scanners and callouts, signal setting optimizer bot on Discord, 24/7 support, free lifetime updates, cancel anytime, right? They accept various different payment methods. So I'm just going to show you on Trading View. This is Tesla on my mobile. I'm going to do a more thorough review and analyzation on desktop very soon, but just firing this video out for you guys quickly while I'm waiting for my daughter to finish her ballet class here. Just want to add some value to you guys regardless. So this is Tesla. So as you can see, this is just the other day here when the trend was selling off, and then it looked like it was about to break out. The buy signal came in. So this would have been a good opportunity for you to buy and then kind of move upwards there. Same thing happens with this strong movement there. Then it's time to sell there as well. So you can see it being, pretty accurate. You can go to the 30-minute view as well, right? You can do a 30-minute view as well. Now, I've been testing it with the 5-minute view. I like the 5-minute and 1-minute views. It's been also pretty good, right? Now, I'll show you guys. Yep, right there. There's the buy signal at 8:42. Went up all the way to 8:55. Now, it didn't trigger off a sell there, right? So it's not perfect, but it does work very well here. If you see here, if you would have bought in at 8:45 there, you would have sold at 8:50. You made a $5 profit per share, right? If you would have held a little longer, you could have sold at 8:56. It's not meant to cheat the system or anything like that, but it's meant to help you as a guideline. You know where the trends are going. For example, the buy-in at 8:20 here, and then the sell point was 8:42. So it's pretty accurate. Now, what I like is you can also use it for cryptocurrency. So these are some of the ones I like to trade. Ethereum, for example, right? I'm not long Bitcoin and Ethereum, but if you're day trading a little part of your portfolio here, you can see the signals are pretty good. See how it was at 1270 there, and it was about to fall? It had a sell trigger there, right? When it was at 1210, it was about to break out. It fired, and then at the top at 1270, it said sell. So pretty accurate here as well, right? So overall, I really do like it. Now here you can actually adjust your coding, and you can adjust different modes. Sensitivity will make it literally more sensitive for taking action. So if you're more of a day trader, like every day looking at the graph, looking at that 5-minute to 15-minute interval, then you want to lower that sensitivity to the smaller number, okay? If you're more of a long-term person, then increase that sensitivity to the upside, okay? Now, there is training and tutorials on these settings, and I'm still learning these settings. I'm not telling you I'm some kind of expert or anything like that. I'm just saying that this application has been a big benefit to my trading in the last few days, and I continue to look forward to continue learning this and using this because it's pretty much epic, to be honest. So I've been eyeing this software for a while, comparing with a few other ones like Trend, etc. But I like the visual look of this one. I like that it's been around the block for a while, and I'm gonna continue to use it. Now I did sign up for the affiliate program. I don't think there's any bonuses or anything like that, but I do have my link in the description below and in the comments section. If you guys want to sign up with Lux Algo, it does help my channel out. And please like this video if it was helpful for you guys. And hopefully I earned your subscription today as well. I'm looking to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys want more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. And if you're looking to get into Lux Algo and take action, then the link is going to be in the description below for you to get in. Tell me what your thoughts are after you get in, and we can let's make bank together. Let's kill these trades. I've had a few successful trades lately with this, utilizing this. So good luck with your trading as well, guys. Don't invest money that you are not willing to lose as well, because anything can happen in the trading markets. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor by any means. But if you guys are looking to get Lux Algo, I would recommend it personally. I love it. I use it. And whether it, stock trading, Forex, or crypto, it's awesome. All right. So if you guys are looking to take action, the link is in the description and the comment section. And until further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate you guys. Bye for now.